What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn over $1,000 a day with AI video and Chat GPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of free stuff. I'm going to be giving you a free checklist, a free VIP Discord, and 2 softwares that I've been using daily over the last few years. All of this stuff for free today. So I hope you're excited, and if you're excited, let me know. Do me a favor, respond with the word yes in the comments right now. Lets me know to make more videos like this in the future. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into exactly what we need to do to get started with how this actually works. So if you're brand new and don't know where to start, head over to the VIP checklist and go to the roadmap. Right here is where everything is as far as step-by-step tutorials and what to do. So these are all the different tools that you can get. Click on the link, download. This is a video that shows you what to do, how to do it. Then right here, so this is for your accounts. This is what you want to do when you're first starting off. And this is what I try to do every day is 3 short form, 1 long form, email. Don't do the community or the carousel or the live stream, but the blog post. Those are the 4 or 5 things that I try to do every day. And then when you go down here to profiles, these are the ones that you want to build out. I would just stick with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok right now. And then you can start building more once you have at least a month's worth of content ready. As far as content goes, there is everything you need from IG Reels that have worked. So what you do next is pick a drive link if you want to download one of these. Boom. So just download that, and then boom, you have that you can schedule out. After you download that, what you would want to do is you want to go into a tool like CapCut, which allows you to edit the video. So when you upload it, you don't get like a strike for repurposing content. Something as simple as just adding in the video and then maybe adding some different music under it is all you need. So you import a video, something like this. Notice how underneath here is just a random music beat that I had, and then you would
This is the dumbest and
download that, and then the next step would be for you to get a Radar account. What Radar is, it allows you to schedule content on multiple platforms. Let's go over to the AI tools sheet, click on Radar. You want to download that, sign up for it, and then you get taken to a screen like this. What you would first want to do is you would want to go to connect to channel, and then that allows you to connect all your social media channels. Right now I have YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook and TikTok. Those are the only ones that you need. And then you would go to publishing, scheduler, and then you are able to schedule out a bunch of content. Like the ones in green right here are the ones that I've already posted. And then down here, the yellow ones are scheduled. And these are the other ones that I have imported and just need to, add a caption. But when these are imported right here, it allows me to schedule, post content to all these different platforms whenever I want at whatever time. Super easy and convenient. And if you're wanting to use AI and ChatGPT, this tool is highly recommended. Now notice in the caption of these videos, it says, comment AI and I send you a checklist. So when people comment, they get sent automatically this message through their DM, which sends them over to the checklist. And then also in the comments, it rotates between these 3 different responses. And this platform right now that you're seeing is called MiniChat. If you go to the checklist again, tells you what to do, how to create it. And if you don't know what to do, refer back to the checklist when you are in need. Everything is in here. And then why you would want something like this, because one of the things that will help your post and account go viral is by interactions and comments on your video. So when you tell someone to comment AI or comment done in the caption or the description, or the comments, gets more people views. People are staying on your profile a little bit longer, and it ups the chance of your account to get discovered by the algorithm and pushed out to more people. Now, you don't need to use MiniChat starting off. What I would do is when you get Radar, all these are connected and all your inboxes are right here. This is an example. Yes, responding yes, yes, and you're just sending them to your link or the tool. I'm sending them to the checklist, and that's why I have the checklist too, so you guys can copy that and just start sending people to that as a lead magnet. But you don't just want to send them to the checklist. You want to send them to an opt-in page, so you are able to capture their email address. And then from there, you just want to automate, baby. Just create more and more content. Now, this is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in a week, 2 weeks, and it's very well possible, but it might not even happen in a month. It's going to take 30, 60 days, especially if you're creating a brand new account, for the algorithm to start picking up the type of content you're posting and for you to start building an audience. Just start. So I'm gonna be coming with content every other day, and what you're gonna start noticing is that I'm getting better at explaining what to do. But until then, head over to Digital Playbook. Get yourself this checklist and start creating and generating content. And if you don't want to generate content with like Shineify to start off with, like I said, there is plenty of content that you can repurpose in here. IG Reels. Look at all these. Even old Reels from years ago that you could still use if you run out. Like, we are giving you everything that you need to get started. You just got to do it. So that's all that we're going to be covering today in this video. Have any questions, comments, put them below. See you in the next one.